Wouldn't you like to play piano like a professional? What if there was a way you can learn how to play a piano, without you have to memorize any piano sheet music? Yes, there is a way you can learn how to play piano like a professional. With Pianoforall you can learn how to play piano like a professional. Imagine yourself playing like this. Pianoforall is a step-by-step program, providing the user with a solid foundation of chords and rhythms while progressing to playing by ear and sight reading. This program offers a complex and detailed set of 10 eBooks, plus a bonus book with over 700 video and audio clips embedded in the pages. The feedback I get most from students is that Pianoforall is the most logically structured piano course available. Pianoforall doesn't just throw ideas at you randomly. Each bite-sized lesson has been meticulously planned, so that step by step you learn a thorough set of piano playing skills in a very short space of time. You can play like this. To begin with, Pianoforall doesn't expect anything musical from you. Nor does it expect that you have to memorize any piano sheet music. If you simply follow the instructions you will learn to play piano by ear, improvise, create compositions, and then eventually read piano sheet music. Pianoforall helps you to see the keyboard and piano sheet music in a new way. Instead of a frightening alien language, you will learn to see the keyboard in terms of shapes and patterns. This is one reason why the piano is one of the easiest instruments to learn. The shapes and patterns are so easy to see on a keyboard. Pianoforall is so cleverly structured that you only need about 20 to 30 minutes each day to enable you to make rapid progress. Most people enjoy it so much, they end up practicing much longer than that. The lessons work equally well on a piano or keyboard. I try to urge people who are learning keyboard to learn to play first before they get stuck relying on the keyboard functions. You really can easily learn to play keyboard, and not just hit a button that does it for you. Whether you want to play in your band, church choir, school choir, Pianoforall can help you play like a professional piano player. You can play like this. Order your copy of Pianoforall today, and learn to play piano like a professional. For more information about Pianoforall, visit the link provided below in the description of this video. The link will take you to Pianoforall website where you can find more information about the product. If you are interested in buying Pianoforall, you find an option to purchase within Pianoforall website. Please do not forget to like the video, and to subscribe to this channel by clicking subscribe.